Chocolate cream is delicious. It is perfect for cakes. You can make chocolate cream at home. It is easy and fun. Homemade chocolate cream is special. It tastes better than store-bought. You can make it exactly how you like it. Let's start making chocolate cream. You need a few simple ingredients. These ingredients are easy to find. You might even have them at home already. Heavy cream. Use this to make the cream thick. Chocolate. Use good quality dark or semi-sweet chocolate. Sugar. Add this for sweetness. Vanilla extract. This adds a warm flavor. First, chop the chocolate. Put the chopped chocolate in a bowl. Heat the heavy cream in a saucepan. Heat it slowly. Do not let it boil. Pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate. Let it sit for a minute. Then, mix it gently until smooth. Add sugar and vanilla extract. Mix it well. Put the bowl in the refrigerator. Let it cool for a few hours. Use a cold bowl for whipping the cream. This helps the cream to thicken. Don't overmix the cream. It will become grainy. Taste the cream as you go. You can add more sugar if you want it sweeter. Now you can make your own chocolate cream. Spread it on cakes. Enjoy!